When did you first come to the Career Service and why?
Well, I came to the Career Service for the first time during the intro week last year to register here with the Career Service as a student, as a new student. And thereafter my contact with the Career Service happened when I applied for a vacancy to work here as a part-time administrative support.
Can you tell us a bit about which which parts of the Career Service you've used? You know, how the Career Service has helped you?
Well, it has definitely helped me quite significantly in getting a job now. But I have used almost all the resources that were available here at the Career Service. So I have been to their CV checking session where a careers advisor actually pointed out the different ways where I can make my CV more concise and yet effective. Mm-hmm. There were so many areas that he actually pointed out that, you know, these are redundant points you don't require anymore in your CV. So thereafter, you know, I tried highlighting the segments that he wanted me to, and I made my CV very effective now. And I have attended almost most of the talks, seminars, and workshops organized by the Career Service on how to improve your transferable skills that the UK employers seek during the recruitment processes, how to improve your performance during interviews, assessment centers, psychometric tests. I've also used the reading materials available within the Career Service, and that gave detailed information on, again, how to fare well in these recruitment processes followed by the major UK employers. I'd also borrowed some books on a week's loan from the Career Service, which again provided a thorough information on the different types of questions that are asked during the interviews. And they also cited some very realistic case scenarios and dealt with the issues that are generally faced by the applicants during the graduate recruitment processes. So these reading materials definitely helped me a lot. But apart from that, what I considered as the most advantageous of all the services it offered was a skills session which I attended and a workshop on interviews and assessment centres.
You talked about the various services that you use.
Yeah.
What's your overall opinion of the Career Service and the help it offers students here?
Well, it is one of the most useful services offered by the university. And considering the fact that most of the services offered are free of cost, it's worth trying out. And I partially owe my job offer now to the Career Service. And all the resources are available here. There is ample support from the staffs as well. So whenever I needed any assistance regarding applications or assessment centers, I just dropped by and asked a query at the reception. And everyone here is so helpful. So they will just either direct you to the right person, or they themselves will, take you to the right resources and will provide you with the right resources so that you can have a look through them over here, or you can borrow them for a week's loan as well. So I even attended the jobs fairs and the careers fair that was organized again by the Career Service, where students get a chance to meet the representatives from different companies, and they can talk to them face to face to understand what kind of vacancies are available with them, what kind of job profiles they are looking for, how to apply for those companies online, when their application deadlines are, etc., etc. So I found them quite useful actually, because I realized that when you talk to a current employee of the company, you gather much more information than you perhaps can do just by searching their website online.
Mm.